tu ni ni khua hi ke hon emotional la kai cha de hi le lai eloi pau you pau sin son anna bol na he puna gal le kapuna bal ye the bal na sia achila kapuna bal we every rose
tu
singer come guitarist come Mr. Johnny Thangboi part 3 and bol hi na kalai na hu si bana bro kap hi tong
cặp lâu rồi
Always well. Always well.
okay come on man play the damn fucking song every rose has its fucking corny
Wait, let me start.
liêm
We fought like sadly still in the dead of the night.
pasal nak ni nali cina
Although we fought like close together, we feel miles apart inside. Was it something I did or something else?
fuck you
cái tỷ du chi rồi mà
What's not come out?
cái tỷ du
What's not come out?
nào
Tried not to hurt you, though I tried. Well, I guess that's why I sing. Every rose has its thorn.
every rose has its
Just like
fucking
every life has its thorn. That's why every cowboy, every cowboy has its sad song. Every rose has its thorn.
dito nali
Wait. Though it's been a while now. I can still
fuck you
No,
fuck you
I can say so. Though it's been a while now, I can still feel so much pain now. Like a knife that cuts through the wound heals, but the
pain the scars still
they
lingers
never heal.
that never heals
Fuck you. Been a while.
nalito si like that nalito
Like a knife that cuts through the heals, that scars remember.
yeah motherfucker
Wait.
tayo lagi
I know who could have said I love the night.
Fuck you, bitch.
Instead of making love, we both went separate ways. Now,
hey
see from somebody new. This year that tears me up inside.
anh đi lâu nào
I feel like a knife. Every rose has its every night has its thorn.
every cowboy has his set from now
Every cowboy has its sad song. Every rose has its thorn.
another thing kami sabihin
lá sai ta chỉ
I guess
sa cái rồi nóng hả
no.
tôi